up, everybody? Alex, Oklahoma's Worst Angler, coming back at you with another video. So this one, because I forgot to shoot an intro and an outro, this is the intro and the outro. You guys know what I do sometimes. Sometimes I forget. Anyways, so we went out this past Sunday. We went to Fort Gibson Dam. Me, Big Nick, a couple of his buddies, Cooper and Kyle, came out with us too. And we get out there early in the morning, and I mean, it's already busy. It is busy. They're releasing a ton of water. So I apologize ahead of time for the audio because it's loud. So if you're wearing headphones, turn it down a little bit once we kick into the fishing stuff. So we get out there. It's busy. Okay, lots of people down there. We probably could have gotten there a little bit earlier, but you know, it is what it is. It's a little bit of a drive. But it was a crazy day of fishing. We had so many fish on. We ended up filling up 2 stringers for two groups of people. But what I'm talking about with it being kind of crazy is I was recording so much that there were times that I would get a fish on and I'd go hit the record button on my GoPro and I was already recording, so I missed catching the fish on video. So that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Enough talk. Let's get to the video. I want to show you guys what it's like out there fishing for sand bass, fishing for hybrids, and fishing for striper below Fort Gibson Dam with all the rain that we've had and how much water they're having to let out. First sand bass of the day. Thank you, buddy. Oh. Got old Big Nick over there. I got plenty of them. Half-ounce jig head. We're gonna fish this little cove here for a while and then end up moving out there. But you can see the dam is roaring. So, sorry if the audio is pretty bad for you guys. Nick's already caught himself a crappie. I just now put the GoPro on. Crankbait sketches me out over here. Well, free crankbait, that'll, all right. Tell you what, they are on them over in that point over there. These boys are just killing it. Might have better luck if I threw a little smaller profile bait, but I'd rather catch me some bigger ones. This was flooded. I mean, insane amounts of flooding. I don't know if you can see that timber up there. Okay, you got it. That timber up there, water was up past that. It's a good 15-20 foot up from where we are right now. That's how bad the flooding was. I told you guys about it. What did I do? Oh, you're right. It is. It's all my fault that Nick's not getting any bites now. Funny thing about this fish right here that Nick's got is he had cast a bird's nest and ended up getting one after he fixed this little backlash there. It's misty out here. It is bad, bad, bad. Bad for video. There you go. Okay. something. Could be someone's line. Nope. It's a baby. It's a baby.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, buddy.
That's a hybrid.
That's a hybrid for sure. Yeah. Always got you with an assist, buddy. Hybrid, yep. I think we're finding them now. I think we're finding them. Yep. Gonna skip him right up here. Just gotta find them is all. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, bye-bye. Switched up to an old rattle trap. Now what I've seen some guys do is actually take the front treble off. Less snags that way, from what I understand. Whether that's true or not has yet to be seen. Hell, he ain't no bigger than the rattle trap itself. These gill plates and spines, I'd rather not get in me. Thank you. I can only imagine how bad this video is with all this mist flying everywhere. I'd like to get on some big fish again. So these last couple little dinks I've caught. But again, I'm happy to be catching fish. Nick caught himself a nice hybrid. I've yet to catch one of those. I'd like to do that. I think that would be a lot of fun. There we go. There we go. Hey, that's better. Good little slab. You've been beat up a bit.
Beat filleted.
He'd eaten. Little shad swim bait. Oh boy.
Butter. Keeping these fish. Keeping these fish.
They got him another. Heck yeah, buddy. That's a good one. That's better. Sorry, dude. Shall we grab it? Nick was on something big. I did see a spoonbill roll out there in front of him, and I wonder if he hooked into that spoonie, which normally would have just went ahead and just worked it in and landed it, but we got two people to my right that have got two lines out, and they've got one hung up on something out there. I saw him fighting it. Fish on, fish on. Man, that's how I started right there. Put my foot on them. Put my foot on them and then lip them. That's how I always did it. Look at that. Good release. Good release. We've just been throwing him back, and he goes and pulls a fantastic release on that sand bass. Yay! 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 Huh? No! Look at that fatty. Look at that. Look at that striper. Alright, Nick's got a big one on. Striper? Big old hybrid. Yeah. Got one in too. Now we're talking.
Yeah, buddy.
Woo! I don't want you straining that line anymore. That's a hefty one.
You should see what a 5-pounder does.
Woo! Heck yeah. Look at that slab. Yeah, he's right there. Woo! Woo! Screaming. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a striper.
That is a striper. Check that off the bucket list. Here, I'll give you a slack there.
Welcome to the striper club, man.
All right, zero that out.
So 3.5.
Yep,
Pretty close.
338. There it is, folks.
Here's your first one. You want to
First striper.
throw it back?
Woo. My first striper. I'm pretty pumped about that. So, Nick's back on one. Look at this. Man, they like what Nick's throwing. We're having a good day. It is a good day indeed. Time check, 9:14. We got about 2 more hours. 2 to 3 more hours before we gotta get out of here. So I'm gonna get back out there and get on some more. Oh, get out of that current! Get out of that current! There he is! That's a good one. Woo! What you tossing there?
Electric chicken.
Electric chicken? Sweet.
I bought this entire rig in Florida for saltwater.
Really?
It works on hybrid.
That's a fatty.
I am.
Mm.
So how does it feel to catch your first striper?
How does it feel to catch my first striper? We were talking about that on the way here this morning.
2 personal best stripers, not very big.
No. Nick got his PB striper and I got my personal best. Personal first. And then Kyle
He just pulled in a big old slab of a sandy right there. Or was that a hybrid?
That was a small hybrid.
Pulled in a slab of a hybrid.
Here, this is a lot.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh! Sitting here talking, Nick gets slammed.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Want me to lip it? Oh! Oh! Well, good thing he's gonna get ate anyway. What's your name? Cooper? I'm Alex. It's good to meet you. Hey, I think one of those rooster tails is Matt's. In the tree right there. Heck, it could even be that tree right there. Look at all that line that's in that one.
Matt's left tattoos all over this thing.
Matt is the Jason Aldean of Fort Gibson. It's funny, before I caught that striper, I was out here saying, man, I don't know if this jig head has got enough weight to it. Because Nick was just killing it. I mean, it's all about the luck of the draw. But it's putting in the work. Oh yeah, oh yeah, it's putting in the work.
Oh, double up.
Doubled up.
Oh, hell yeah.
Kyle, that's my first double up on the channel. Woo. Oh, oh no.
Oh.
I was just loosening my drag too. You know what? Clean broke me off. That's all right.
Take it off.
I ain't mad about it.
No excuses. Play like a champion.
Kyle, we almost doubled up. I mean, we did.
We did.
Yeah.
As soon as I saw your rod pulled over, I instantly got a little sad because I thought I had you. This guy's on YouTube. Oklahoma's worst angler.
You're on there now.
You got competition.
You're on there now. I've had a couple guys call me out on that.
What are you using?
I'm just using a jig head and a swim bait. That's my bad. I'll keep it over you. I'll just go on top of you. Crossing lines, crossing swords. You on bottom, me on top. You're good. Oh. Oh.
Yep.
Right out there.
Did I lose it?
Nope, it just came flying back here.
Can't get away from it, man.
They miss you. They miss you. On another. Man, that little rock right there, that's the spot.
Oh, I see that.
Ooh! Get him! Get him up!
Wow, that's a wall of that.
Electric chicken getting it done.
Oh, I see that.
Ooh! Get him! Get him up!
Wow, that's a wall of that.
Electric chicken getting it done. Fish on for Nick. Fish on for Nick. Yay! Yay for sand bass. That's kind of like a hybrid though. No, that's sandy. Oh, 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 oh. Buddy, I don't know what that was. Coop with another. That's a good one, Coop. Electric chicken getting it done. Keeping any more? Okay. Take it. Come on now. Come on now. Man, look at that. Choked it. Another? I'm all for supporting the cause.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey Coop, you know what I do? I'll hold the jig head with your left hand, and then you got more control to stick your hand on his lip. Heck yeah. Get out of there. Oh, no. Get him out of there. I saw that. I saw that hook set and everything. Oh yeah. They'll take that. They'll take that all day. Stick your thumb with it. They go under the nail?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Don't tell me about it. That makes my lady parts hurt. Nice. Coop's found a groove now.
I'll be honest. Hurts pretty fucking good. Not bleeding at all. Yeah, they got so much trees close down.
There we go. There we go. Come here. Come on now. Get up here. Get up here. Yeah, buddy. Another little one. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. That.
I said I get everybody on the
You were the only one catching fish a while back.
I want to be part of the cool team.
That was just a good set. Just like that. You want another? Want it? Thank you. See y'all later. Oh! Oh! Come on, Nick. You want me to get him? There you go. Nick's just catching fish and I'm having to re-rig. Double again. Double again. Double again. We're trying, man. Y'all keeping any? Are you keeping them?
Yeah.
To eat?
Yeah. Gotta catch somebody. You ain't caught nothing yet.
Oh. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, we keep catching them. We'll keep giving them to you. Rain is coming down now. Yeah. That's a thick one. Cooper over there with that electric chicken is just crushing it. There we go. There we go. Oh, buddy, that's a good one. That's a good one. No. Broke me off. Woo! That's a double electric chicken right there.
Double electric chicken.
Hold them up together, boys. Oh! Hey, you know what? He hit the land, so he... Oh, look at him. He snagged it out of the water. Heck yeah. Yeah, those guys right down there are keeping them. Nick on another one.
Good footage.
Heck yeah, brother. Heck
Good.
yeah. Where are they, Nick? Where are they? Found it. You ain't getting off. No, sir. Whoa, buddy. That's a hybrid. Whew. Look at that guy. Oh, yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's a thick one.
Can I try one more thing?
Huh?
Yeah.
They're in my tackle box.
Can I try one?
Nick, you get another swim bait? There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah. Guys, I'm telling you, if you have never fished for sand bass before, it is some of the most fun you'll ever do. They hit hard, they fight hard. When they're running, you can just catch them at one after the other. Nick's preferred method is a twisted tail grub, and he definitely does get the most bites on it, but I have found that the shad color swim baits are perfect. I got it paired up with a 1/2 ounce jig head, and just kind of depends if you slow roll it, fast retrieve. You're gonna have to experiment with it, but the bigger the bait, the bigger the fish. I didn't even notice that. Huh? Dogging me. I'm gonna help him get his lure out. You wanna take that off for me? Thank you. I'm telling you guys, sand bass hybrids, they are a flippin' blast. So much fun. All right. Nick back on him. Ha, doubled up. Hey, that's a good quick catch and release.
So like I said, it was a crazy day, all right? I mean, it was a ton of fun. Ended up filling up, 2 stringers for people that were catching to eat. And we figured, if we're catching so many, we might as well, help feed the cause, help these people eat some more fish. Usually we keep them, but, we didn't have stringers on us that day. But, I mean, it was back to back to back. Bang, bang, bang. Tons of fish. If you have never fished for hybrids, for sand bass, for striper, I recommend you do it. Go find a spot. Get out there. It is literally, you find a school and it's a race just to get your lure back out there and catch some more. It's also kind of a science because you got to figure out the speed and where in the water column, what you want to use, the weight, everything that you want to do. But it is a ton of fun. Those fish fight like crazy. I had a freaking blast, and we're hoping to do it again this weekend, weather permitting. We know Oklahoma's been pretty crazy lately. It's calling for storms this weekend, but it's Tuesday. You could call for storms on Tuesday and it'd just be completely clear by the weekend time. So I'm hoping for the best. If you guys like this video, drop me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Show me a little support. I would really appreciate it. And if you guys like this as well, let me know in the comments if you want to see some more videos of us, fishing for sand bass, hybrids. If you want to see us go out and fish for something completely different, let me know in the comments and I will make it happen. Thanks guys for watching, and I will see you all in the next adventure.